Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. The three-match series between Jamaica's Sunshine Girls and the Silver Ferns of New Zealand will start at a later date than originally scheduled due to diplomatic issues relating to the Jamaicans. It's understood that visas for the Sunshine Girls were issued on Monday, but the players are not expected to have their passports returned until sometime today. It's also understood that the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has been assisting with the process to help the Sunshine Girls procure the requisite visas. The 12-member squad is now scheduled to travel to New Zealand on Saturday, the same day for which the opening game had been scheduled. The first two games are slated for Hamilton on September 17 and 18, with the final match in Auckland on September 21. The revised schedule will now see all three games being played in Auckland next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Icelandic coach Dr. Heimir Hallgrímsson is set to be unveiled as the Reggae Boys' new head coach this afternoon at a press conference at the Pegasus Hotel in Kingston. Hallgrímsson arrived in Jamaica on Wednesday with an assistant coach, a goalkeeper coach, and a trainer. Hallgrímsson will succeed Paul Hall, who was named interim coach for the last 6 matches of Jamaica's failed 2022 Qatar World Cup qualifying campaign. The Jamaica Premier League will stick to the structure it used last season when centralized venues were used for some matches. This, according to newly appointed Professional Football Jamaica Limited CEO Owen Hill. Hill says the quality of the venues for television broadcast, among other factors, will continue to play a role in selecting venues for the upcoming season. Hill is, however, assuring fans of the teams that the communities continue to be at the heart of the PFJL's plans.
The clubs themselves have taken up the mantra. They are looking to improve their own stadium. So a number of clubs are in the process. However, partnerships like these will help to reduce the level of dependence on any one venue, and hopefully as we go into a 3 to 5 year strategic direction, you will have more teams having home-based games. But the idea now, the commercial viability requires venues that are suitable for production purposes as well as player purposes, because the surfaces are important to the overall product.
14 teams are set to participate in next season's Jamaica Premier League, with Chapelton Maroons and Falkland FC joining the 12 clubs from last season. The teams will play each other twice in the regular season, with the top 6 progressing to the playoffs. And guess what? That's the final whistle, and that is it for your lunchtime sports. Kalisha, back to you.